Today's February 11th, 2019, and this is episode 41 of PlaneSavers. Hey folks, welcome to Yellowknife. It is amazingly warm today. It's only minus 20 degrees Celsius, which is like minus 2 degrees Fahrenheit. That's right, folks. We're almost in the pluses in Fahrenheit. And yeah, it is Monday morning. As you can see behind me, most of the airplanes are gone. We have the Electra over there, and there's an Electra in the hangar. Today, I would like to start off with a mystery. We got a DVD, and what's on this DVD is an 8mm movie from the 50s. PlaneSavers viewer sent this to us. I'm excited because this could be never seen footage of DC-3s, C-46s, and crazy stuff from the 50s. So how are we gonna, my computer, brand new computer, doesn't have a DVD player. My laptop doesn't have a DVD player. So nothing in the last 10 years has a DVD player except Rod's computer. Yes, Rod's iMac that we got from Alabama. Bob, the 5-star Alabama, is the last model of iMac that actually has a DVD player. So let's head over to Rod's computer to see what's on this mystery tape. And also, before we go, on the way there, as I'm walking there, I'm going to show you guys an update from Red Deer. Ronnie and Zach got me some new pictures of all the parts they've been collecting. Zach's hopefully going to be shooting a video today showing you guys in person what all the parts are. But here's just a sneak peek of some pictures with my voiceover. So enjoy this while we go to Rod's office and figure this out. Okay, folks, let's start off in the past. The reason why this picture is black and white is because we have already seen this on an episode. This is all the cockpit items that Ronnie and Zach's got for us. And now let's flash to the future. Here's some metal, some shiny metal that they got for us. Some of this part's brand new. See on the left, we got an oil cooler scoop, and then a set of cowlings, accessory cowlings, and a carb scoop on the bottom right. Very cool. Now to the next picture, the left is an air stair door, in the middle is a new tail cone. The coveted roof hatch and the hamburger door. That is a brand new hamburger door. Now this table is a little bit more complicated. Zach's actually going to take the time, film a video, and explain everything on this table for you guys better than just pictures. Now, look, pilot, co-pilot seat, freshly painted. We got 3 carbs up top on the table there. Some oil tanks that have been freshened up and cleaned. And then we got some brand new lines for all the stuff behind the engine. An Aviation, that's a wing bolt kit. Up top, getting out of frame, is a new tail wheel. We got some exhaust pipes, fire bottles, some pumps, and a turnbuckle. So thank you, Red Deer, for sending this update, and we can't wait to see more. Well, folks, I'm pretty excited to see what's on this mystery DVD. Hope you like that little update from Red Deer. We're going to get videos soon. Another side note, I'm actually using Final Cut Pro X right now, so I need a little bit of time, maybe a little bit of patience from you guys while I figure out the new program. iMovie just wasn't cutting it anymore, which is good news for you guys. I'll be learning new features and new cool things, but yeah, all that funny, behind the scenes stuff. Let's head up to Rod's office and see what we can find on this. Okay, folks, here's the DVD, and let's see if she works. Here. Oh, it loaded in. That's a good sign. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, folks, this looks like the real deal. I had a sneak peek. It looks pretty cool. There's definitely some DC-3 footage. It's about an hour's worth of footage. I had to download an app to rip the DVD. As you can see, it's got 27 minutes to go. So I'm going to rip this, bring it down to the main computer, and edit out a little piece for you guys to see what's on this video. Never before seen 8mm video from the 50s. Pretty cool. Folks, I'm back at PlaneSavers Studios. I got everything on the jump drive here. So I'm going to load it into the computer, put it into Final Cut, and get you guys a preview of what is in this freaking thing. It's pretty cool. Folks, there's 1 hour of this footage. That is just a small taste. Did you see the airplanes that are in there? That isn't even half the airplanes. And it's insane. It's insane. This is unseen footage. Seeing this for the first time broadcast. It's insane. I'm going to probably have to do a whole Saturday special episode just on this. So that's what I'm going to do. This Saturday special episode, just this footage. I'm going to go through it, find the different airplane types, stop during the thing, explain each airplane. Insane, folks. Insane. This is absolutely insane. I'm going to reveal who sent this to me, the whole 9 yards. This is so cool.
Whose 180's coming out of that airplane? Huh? Whose 180 was that?
Do you recognize it?
That's why I'm asking. I do.
So what do you think of that footage?
It's great. It's great. I just, I know nobody has their high-vis vest on. You know, and they're all smoking. That's good. Back in the good old days, eh? Loading airplane smoke with no high-vis on. Coveralls.
Unbelievable. Whew. But right now, let's head over to my buddy Vincent, who's actually making us a foam RC C47. Like, this thing is going to be good. He's scratch making it with foam and the whole 9 yards. He's making a little bit of PlaneSaver episodes. Actually, he's rebranding PlaneSavers. Let's check out the clip here right away, and let's shoot over to Vincent.
My name is Vincent Unruh, and as you can see, this is the first episode of PlaneMakers Foam Board Edition that are made out of simple foam board. It's just paper on one side, foam in the center, and paper on the other side. I started working on the C47. Got the tail, as you can see, the tail, and this is the tail feather. So anyways, Mikey, this is my contribution to it. Unfortunately, I'd really love to come and help work on the plane when it's in Montreal when they're getting it ready, but due to health concerns and health problems, there's just no way I can come. So this is the closest thing I can do to support your cause. And when it's done, we'll have to figure out, maybe we auction it off or something along those lines. Anyways, everybody have a good day or a good afternoon or a good evening or a good morning. But I'll talk to you later in the next episode. Bye now.
So, Rod, what do you think of the pictures that Ronnie and them sent us?
It's pretty good. I'm pretty impressed with, usually when they take apart an airplane for parts, they don't clean everything up, and he looks to be pretty interested in this project. So those parts are off the similarly designed airplane, so we know that will all fit those engine buildups and stuff.
There's the update from Red Deer. Rod, what do you think about that footage today?
Well, it's pretty amazing. I'm kind of shocked. It's like a Dead Sea Scrolls. Now you see actual airplanes fly, you know, it's pretty amazing. I don't know where that footage came from. It gives me hope that
there might be more.
Well, sometimes I start to think there was no history because it's just stories, but no, when it comes to life like that, it's amazing.
Yeah, and that's the cool thing about PlaneSavers is now there's an outlet for people to show everybody what's going on.
That's all right. I've been showing my wife and my daughter, and my wife shows PlaneSavers to her class because, I mean, even I'm learning from it.
Right on. Okay, folks, that's the episode today. I hope you liked the Monday episode. I got so much stuff. There's tons of videos. I got 50 emails from noon to 3 p.m. 50 emails, and that's just my personal email, not the PlaneSavers email, and none of the social media messages. So it's just being bonkers. I got some mail to open. I got some gifts. I got everything. So tomorrow is going to be a catch-up episode, and yeah, so it's going good. So what do you say, Rod? Goodbye to everybody.
Yeah, we'll have a good one, and I'm excited to see this airplane fly now.
Yeah, and we'll be seeing you guys very soon.